Hello, in this lecture we will talk about the loops in JavaScript, loops for and while, and I create a PowerPoint to understand much better how it is works and how it is the syntax for that loops. For, we'll set it values for a variable I to 1. The next step is to reach the second part of the for loop where it check if 1 is less than 2. So it proceed to run inside the code to the curly brace in this point where the third value of the loop is carried out. In this case, I is incremented by 1 and go back again to starting the loop, and he will see the I is also equal with 1. It is already stored in memory of the computer, and he found out I, which it is incremented with 1, is not less anymore by 2, and goes outside to the loop and go to execute the next step of the codes, the next step of the line of the codes. And about the while loop, the syntax work in this way. Between the parentheses there is a statement, and with that check if the statement is true, then the code inside the curly brace will run again and again. And over here I created the page with differences between the for and while. As you can see, we create a variable called I and set it with 1, and is stored inside the computer memory. Now the code goes inside the while loop and will evaluate the statement between the curly braces. Well, 1 is definitely less than 2, and if the statement is true, computer will execute the code between the braces. Next line will be incremented with 1. Now the loop is complete, then the code jumps back. This is in short explanation how this work in programming, in Java programming, the loops for and while. It is the similar with syntax like in other programming languages. Thank you for watching. See you next time.